Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, this is just going to be me telling you what the Ghast's secret like is. So let's just get right into it. So the Plant Island Ghast and Ethereal Island Ghast have the same likes besides the monsters. On Plant Island, it likes the Entbrat, and on Ethereal Island, it likes the Wisp. So that's the only thing that's different. But the secret like is actually this Crumpler tree right here. It's 1,800 shards, and so you can get that on Plant Island, and you can see this is at 75% happiness because I have all the other likes besides the Wisp. Because you have to have Grumpire and Ghast to make that, and I don't have that, and I don't even have a single 2-element monster yet, which is actually cool for me because I don't want one. But yeah, so yeah, you just need the Crumpler tree, and if you go to Plant Island, the Crumpler tree is actually, it costs 900,000 coins, so it's somewhat expensive. It's not crazy expensive, but it's not worth it to me. That's definitely not worth it to me. 900,000. That just ain't worth it. Like, I mean, it gives a ton of coins and stuff, but it still is not worth it. Also, I have a big salad, so that's cool. I have a little bacon right here. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I also got a rare Ghast, but yeah.